Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. A bag contains tomatoes that are either green or red. The ratio of green tomatoes to the red tomatoes in the bag is 4 to 3. When 5 green tomatoes and 5 red tomatoes are removed, the ratio becomes 3 to 2. How many red tomatoes were originally in the bag? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Let's see how we can solve this. So we've had green tomatoes and red tomatoes. The ratio is 4 to 3. So we can say we have 4x amount of green tomatoes and 3x amount of red tomatoes. Because if we divide this, the ratio becomes 4 to 3. When 5 green tomatoes and 5 red tomatoes are removed, the ratio becomes 3 to 2. So if we have we remove 5 green tomatoes, so the green tomatoes becomes 5 times less, and we remove 5 red tomatoes, so the red tomatoes becomes 5 times less. The ratio of these becomes 3 to 2. This will equal to 3 over 2. Now we have an equation. We just solve this. So we multiply by the denominators. We multiply by 2, becomes 2 times 4x minus 5, and we multiply by 3x minus 5, so it becomes 3 times 3x minus 5. Now we distribute. 2 times 4 is 8x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. And now we just solve for x. So we subtract 8x, it just becomes x. And we add 15, becomes 0, it becomes minus 10 plus 15, that's just plus 5. So x equals 5. Okay, what was the question asking for? How many red tomatoes were originally in the bag? We had 3x red tomatoes, so we had 3 times 5, so we had 15 red tomatoes. The answer is B. Now, let's have a look at a similar one. You can solve this using the same method. Give it a try. Let's see. Box contains balls that are either blue or yellow. We have blue and yellow. The ratio of blue bars to the yellow bars in the box is 5 to 4. So let's label them 5x and 4x. When 6 blue bars and 6 yellow bars are removed, the ratio becomes 4 to 3. So we just write, if we remove 6 blue bars, they become 5x minus 6. And if we remove 6 yellow bars, it becomes 4x minus 6. And this ratio becomes 4 to 3. And again, we have an equation. We just solve this. Multiply by the denominators. 3 times 5x minus 6. And we multiply by 4x minus 6. So it becomes 4 times 4x minus 6. We distribute. 3 times 5 is 15. X. 3 times minus 6 is minus 18. 4 times 4 is 16. x. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Okay, now we just have to solve for x. We subtract 15 from both sides. Now we just x. 16 minus 15 is 1. And we add 24, so it's just 0. 24 minus 18 is 6. So x equals 6. What was the question asking for? How many yellow balls were in the box? We had 4x. So it's just 4 times 6. We're just 24. So answer is A. And did you manage to solve them? Tell me in the comment section. If you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. There is already one waiting for you in the description. Thank you for watching.